I was planning on covering the wall in carpet, so I considered not priming the drywall, but I went ahead and primed it anyway so that the surface wouldn't soak up too much of the adhesive. I used Kiehl's PVA drywall primer, and it did a really good job in one coat. I had no idea how much of the adhesive the paper on the drywall would absorb, so I thought this would give it a smoother surface to adhere to. I used Robert's carpet adhesive, which had the consistency of caramel and the sticking power of chewing gum. By the time I had the walls covered, I had that stuff on my hands, in my beard, my shirt, my pants, and my shoes. I even changed shoes 3 times during the process and eventually wound up tying plastic bags over the last pair to try to keep them from getting gummed up. The adhesive, though, did a great job, and the carpet went into place very, very well. I bought a 4-gallon bucket of the adhesive, and there was about 3/4 of it left when I got the sides done. A lot of it hit the floor, but I eventually got better at keeping it on the wall. It cleans up with soap and water within the first few minutes, and then after that, you have to use mineral spirits to dissolve it. Before the end wall could be done, I had to drill holes for the ventilation system to be installed. I managed to get a hole saw set for $16 that made things a lot easier. I pre-cut the carpet pieces to cover the ventilation holes and managed to get a good fit. While I held them in place with clamps, I was able to measure, mark, and cut the other pieces of carpet because I knew I wouldn't be able to do that once I had the adhesive on the wall. I started with a small putty knife to spread the adhesive around the electrical outlet and the ventilation holes. Once I had that done, I was able to trowel the rest of the wall for the carpet. My drywall knives helped me get more of the adhesive on the wall than on myself, and then I was able to trowel that down. Once I started putting the carpet in place, everything fit really well. There were a few seams that were standing out, but I was able to fill these in later with small pieces of carpet. My ventilation system is made up of 2 inline duct booster fans that are typically used to circulate air in a greenhouse. I used flexible dryer ducts and made the platform from a 1x10. I chose these fans for low cost and user ratings for lower noise. The amount of air that these move in isn't as high as their advertised specs, but they do move fresh air into the room and they do exhaust the stale air. I have a switch on the wall inside the room to turn the fans off when actually recording. I decided to mount the unit on the wall using a cleat and covered the contact side of the cleat with carpet to dampen vibration. I used my hole saws to make rings for the wall duct guides out of scrap plywood. When I finally had them in place, they didn't look too bad.